Hi everyone, it's Lisa Ann Landry, your social media marketing strategist participating in the 21-day gratitude challenge. And I am grateful because I'm living in Atlanta now. I love the beautiful weather here. I am able to walk every day about 3 miles, and maybe you can see how beautiful it is today. It's probably about maybe 65, 70 degrees. And I'm out here walking at the park, and I do this every day, and just very grateful that I'm able to do that. So hope to hear from you on your 21-day gratitude challenge and what you're grateful for.